Why would people want to own property at Sunset Palms? That's a question I've had a few times already. Comments had a few times already. So let me explain why. So let's go through why would people want to own property at Sunset Palms. Well, first of all, security. Our security is next level. We've got 7 feet perimeter walls. On top of it, we've got barbed wire. Security, according to me, is going to become one of the most crucial things in South Africa. And the reason for that is the unemployment. People have to eat, they have to feed their kids, and they will start stealing more and more, and crime will become more and more because of the huge unemployment in South Africa. So our security is top notch. CCTV cameras, guardhouse, people walking up and down, and we like it like that because a lot of wealthy people has purchased property by us and is building mansions here at Sunset Palms, and they want to know that them and their kids and their wives and the cars and the furniture will be safe, and yes, it is. So security is very important. Secondly, our landscaping is beautiful. You know, we've got over 100 palm trees, and we're planting another 100 palm trees. And, you know, and as these palm trees grow, you get more like a Hollywood Boulevard look, and that's what we're going after. The third thing is Spanish style houses. It's got a more expensive cupola tile. I like the bagged walls. Some people like it plastered. I prefer the bagged walls. All the windows is aluminium windows, so you never get windows that you have to paint or have to look after, or if it's wooden that you have to varnish. You've got no maintenance there at all. Got a beautiful front door. Then all the fronts of every house has got a pillar entrance. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. And it makes it unique. There's nobody else in South Africa that's got what we've got. We're building Spanish style villas. And I don't know why it hasn't happened already, because Spanish style villas has got some of the biggest capital growth in the world. You know, it's remarkable houses. Anyway, then you got your Sun's 10,400. What's that? That is your energy saving that you have to put in every house. You know, you can't put too much windows. You have to have LED lights, gas geyser, gas stove. Takes your electricity right down. But in Sunset Palms, every house comes with a solar system, a massive solar system. You off the grid electricity completely. You don't have to pay any electricity. You never need electricity at Sunset Palms. We're very happy about that. That every person that buys it, you know, they get solar power, and they're all happy because they never have to pay electrical bill, you know. And as the electrical prices go up and up and up and up and up, there's an increase now again. You know, a household, there's 5 people, 6 people household, you're gonna need 5,000-7,000 rand a month just for electricity. At Sunset Palms, you don't have any of that cost. It's a big benefit. Something else that's interesting is that we, as a development, have our own garden services. So there's not people driving in and out, seeing what they can steal. There's people working here full-time. It's included in your rates and taxes and your levies and so on. Let's go to the next thing. All 4 the banks, the major banks, approve our clients 100%. All 4 our major banks. We're very fortunate that the banks also see the value in this place. Now, it's very central. You know, you're a little bit out of Boksburg, but you got no traffic. You're close to the hospital. You're close to schools, primary schools. You're close to the highways. You've got a beautiful development that's very quiet. I mean, that's one of the nicest thing about our development. It is very quiet. You know, it's very beautiful, very quiet. Come and visit us at Sunset Palms and see for yourself. Now, everybody knows the way this started was that the Devi show accused us falsely, and we basically won that argument on social media, and we showed everybody that it's false. In fact, we've gone so far as to make a little music video. I used AI to tell our story. I think it's quite cute. We'll probably place it today or maybe tomorrow or next week, and just shows what happened and so on, and how we proved these people to be false. But anybody that's looking to build a new house, They want to design it the way they want it, how they want it, because that's the nice thing about this. You don't buy somebody else's dream. We design the house for you and your family the way you want it. It's fantastic. Our cost is good because we're doing such a big load of houses. We get all the material cheaper. Even if you have to get your own builder, you can never build for the prices and the quality that we offer. But anyway, so we're very happy with the way 2026 has started. We've got a lot of work in. We're very grateful to the Almighty for helping us. And, there's always people that will comment. If you read the comments, there's always this guy called himself Alexander the Great that goes, when you paying people's money back? Don't know what you're talking about, but your fake profile, you'll see these people making these comments are not real. They've always got a fake name and never put a photograph on. And then you get a guy with the name of Wilhelm Tom that always got the same thing. When you're paying the people, please come and tell us who we owe money to. We will gladly repay them. But we know that you're there trying to make our name bad and stuff. But you yourselves have never accomplished anything in life. I've asked all you guys that there's about 3 or 4 people the whole time. There's a guy called Jingles the whole time. Same story. But they themselves are fake. They don't tell you who they really are, right? They just make those comments. They'll make comments on this video now as well. But have they achieved anything in life? Do they employ people? Do they handle all these problems and stuff we got in South Africa? Are they fighting to make South Africa a better country? Nah, they don't do anything like that. They're just on the side. Anyway, if anybody is interested in owning a luxury house, look, we're expensive development. The average house we sell now is 2 million plus. And I really appreciate the way things are going up. So I'm looking forward to talking to you guys this year. And the music video, our first music video, we got AI to help us. Look, we're not experts, so don't expect too much, but I think it's quite cute. Anyway, I will talk to you guys as we go, and thank you for all the people following. And of course, as the court cases carry on, I will update you guys on that the whole time as well. Have a pleasant day and a pleasant week and a pleasant weekend. And if you can, remember to spend time with your family. That's the best thing you can do in your life. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.